Hey guys, so in this video I'll be talking to you about lifestyle design, because many people ask me, so what does it mean, lifestyle design? Well, the way I see it is that most people sleepwalk through life. They don't really know what they want to get out of life, and as a result they don't know what actions they should take. And perhaps you can identify with that. I know that I used to be like this. So you wake up in the morning, you go to the office, you may be working for a company that you don't really like, right? You may be doing things that you don't enjoy doing, and you kind of go on autopilot without any grand vision, purpose. So basically, lifestyle design is taking your current circumstances and adjusting them to your will. So you essentially create your own reality. You bend reality to your will. Because life is so short, it's ending 1 minute at a time. There is no point of just letting circumstances push you around. It's much better to take control, figure out what you want to do in your life, and just simply do it. Now, many people come from the victim mentality, the victim mode. They have this sense of entitlement. They look around and they say, oh, it was easy for him, it was easy for that guy. They had rich parents, or he has this amazing talent, or she got a scholarship. And they don't realize that with this attitude, you will never ever achieve anything in life. With this victim mode, you will never push yourself to achieve something greater. So it's important to recognize it, to take responsibility for whatever is happening to you at the moment. Take responsibility, don't blame other people, don't blame the circumstances, and make a conscious commitment to yourself that you will design the life you want to live. You will consciously design it. So what are the steps? Well, I believe that it all starts with your vision. So you have to identify what's the snapshot of your ideal future life. Because you have to go backwards, right? I mean, how can you possibly think about certain steps you need to take, certain habits you have to develop, or certain negative habits you have to destroy if you don't know where you are heading? I mean, most people sleepwalk through life. They are like a yacht without a sail. The wind may be very strong, right? But it doesn't really matter. You don't know where you are heading. So it's important to define where you want to be in a couple of years in your life. What's your ideal life, how it would look like, and then based on that you go backwards. Okay, so this is your ideal life and the future. You go backwards to define your long-term goals. Based on that you define your short-term goals, and based on all of it you figure out certain habits, certain daily, weekly actions you have to take in order to materialize that vision.